So this is a new one for us here at TechNuovo. Now generally, we deal with brands, you know, those who trade on Amazon or supply big box stores or e-commerce websites. But for this video, we wanted to talk about VTech 3D, a small independent Etsy shop that was kind enough to send through one of their Steam Deck docks. More accurately, their Steam Deck dock that can be used with your own USB-C hub, but more on that in a moment. VTech 3D do offer several docks. There's this one, which gives users the chance to choose their own USB-C hub, one which is really super mini if you're just after some kind of kickstand for the deck, and finally one that's supplied with a USB-C dongle that has a really nice neat slot on the back that holds the dongle itself. Prices do vary though, and the one that we were sent currently retails at £30.50 here in the UK, which I think in all honesty is an absolute steal. The unit itself that we have here has just been fully 3D printed to hold the Steam Deck, and it comes delivered as one solid unit. There's no real assembly needed, though there is a felt material that is supplied for the base, so it's got a bit of extra grip when sitting on your desk or side unit, and it also comes with a Snappy Velcro type sticky pad that you can connect your dongle to the back. I've positioned mine vertically, as you can see here, and it's given me enough space for all of my USB inputs and HDMI input. The whole unit just looks and feels absolutely premium, there's no denying that, and the aesthetics are really wonderful if you're looking for something neat and tidy to sit on your desk for your Steam Deck. Now I know that there will be some of you that will mention the fact that the official Steam Deck dock has its inputs on the dock itself, but to be honest with you here, I'm not sure that's really needed. Sure, the official Steam Deck dock offers a little bit of convenience, but if you're someone who carries their Steam Deck around and takes a dongle with them, then this just works as a place you can keep your deck in your house. It also gives you the chance to really truly customize your experience with the types of USB-C hubs out there. If you need more USB ports, or needed power pass-through, a card reader or Ethernet or a USB Type-C input, then this unit here will be perfect. You just purchase whichever dongle you need, attach it to the back of the dock, and away you go. Also, I'd like to talk about the price too. Now, as I said, these are retailing at £30.50, which I can tell you now will be cheaper than the official Steam Deck dock price. Not that I know the price myself of the official one, but I'm guessing £99.99, maybe £80 if we're lucky. So if I break that down, that's £50–60 for the USB hub, power delivery stuff, Ethernet and all of that kind of thing, and matching feature sets of similar USB-C dongles on the internet, and then Steam just chucking a premium on because you're buying the official Steam Deck dock. Now of course, I'm absolutely speculating here, it could be super surprising and be cheaper than that, but time will tell. They are due this spring. Now, my dongle that I use with my Steam Deck cost me roughly £20. I can't quite remember the full retail price. So for £50, I've got myself the dongle I wanted and an extremely neat looking stand, which I for one think looks absolutely fantastic. And furthermore, the docks are available now on the VTech 3D Etsy shop. And better still, we've got a 10% discount offer for you at the link in the description too, so make sure you check that out if you want a dock for your newly purchased Steam Deck and you don't want to pay that official Steam Deck dock premium. Thank you for checking out this video, and a huge shout out to VTech 3D for sending us this amazing dock. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as best I can. I'll try and source the answer for you. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to keep up with more Steam Deck content coming in the future, as well as our other tech and gaming videos. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again very soon.